Today we'll talk about how can you enable dark mode on your GetYourGuide app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down here, you click here on profile, down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on appearance here, you just click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on always dark, you just click on it. So then here automatically it's going to change with you to dark mode like you see now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you know you are get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.